CleverFox Income and Expense Tracker is an efficient and easy-to-use accounting tool for small businesses. It will help you collect and store all the information about your day-to-day transactions and analyze your financial performance to find new ways to grow. This logbook is undated and has 53 weekly spreads and 1 annual profit and loss summary, so it will last throughout a whole year. At the back of the book, you will find an expandable back pocket where you can store checks and receipts. We also added an illustrated user manual to help you get the most out of using the tracker. This logbook has a convenient A5 size and measures 5.8 inches by 8.3 inches. It will easily fit into your bag, so you can take it with you anywhere you go. The cover is made of premium quality vegan leather, featuring a pen loop, an elastic closure, and a ribbon bookmark. The pages are made of thick pearl white paper that is bleed and smudge resistant. Use the weekly spreads to record your income and expenses from Monday to Sunday. Calculate your daily and weekly totals and make a balance summary at the end of the week. You can add extra notes using the lines at the bottom left part of the spread. Use the information you've collected to reflect on your weekly progress and prepare accurate financial statements whenever needed. At the end of each month, add annual summary information to calculate your monthly revenue, gross profit, expenses, and net profit. Use this data to compare your performance by month and prepare a final summary with yearly totals. There are empty dotted pages at the back to make any necessary calculations or store other useful information. CleverFox Planner. Stay organized, stay clever.